Hey guys, it's your girl Shalae. I'm back today with another video. In today's video is all good news, guys. We have good news when it comes to the Farm Bill, Summer EBT, SSI, replacement, SNAP benefits, and a whole lot more. So if you want to know what's going on in the lovely world of Sunbucks, Summer EBT, whatever you're calling it, you already know what to do. Stay tuned. Your girl's got you covered. Now, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, hi, hello, hey, friend. My name is Shalae, and here on this channel, we discuss shopping, saving, and everything in between. I would love to have you a part of my internet family. Super easy. Click the big old red subscribe button down below, and you're in just like that. So while you're at it, go ahead and try out Amazon Prime free. If you are an EBT recipient or not, you can try it out for 30 days free. And guys, you can get your groceries delivered to you like under 2 hours. So go ahead and get that Amazon, all right? All right, so let's go ahead and jump into it because the Farm Bill, like, where have you been all my life? I feel like Rihanna, we haven't heard anything about the Farm Bill, which we knew it expired on September 30th, but there's been all these policies that were enacted and that, you know, they kept on pretty much pushing it back. And so they said the reason why is because there's been so many issues with SNAP benefits, and we do not want to cut anyone's benefits. They are also putting in a firewall that future administration cannot cut SNAP benefits as well. So I think this is a win because it doesn't matter who gets elected president, you will not have your SNAP benefits cut. Now, I don't know about an increase, all right? But that is what's taking so long with the SNAP benefits. Now, they said they should have a markup by May 23rd, and then hopefully it should be enacted in law at the end of this year. So fingers crossed. We'll see what happens when it comes to the Farm Bill. But yeah, it was supposed to be September 30th of 2023. So let me know what you guys think about that. Now, let's go ahead and move on to the SSI portion because a lot of people could be qualifying for a $973 check. Okay, let's talk about it. So officials said that diverse learners, they may be actually missing out on Social Security benefits, and now they even have a screening tool to see if you qualify. So Social Security payments, this is a benefit that is usually associated with like my seasoned seniors, right? But parents of qualified diverse learners of any age in school, you can receive up to this $963.73 monthly benefit for those children. So youth that are under the age of 18, if you have a physical or mental impairment or a combination of both that results in like severe limitation of functioning, then you are eligible. Now, some students that are in diverse learning school programs, that they may still qualify as well according to the U.S. Social Security guidelines. Now, of course, a child that is blind, they automatically would qualify, but the program is designed for children who may not be able to achieve sustained gainful activity. Not all diverse learners will qualify, but for students that are living with like a parent, a guardian, y'all, this could be useful money, right? This could still be used for food. It could be used for shelter. And it's a very good support system for you as well. And you would receive this money right up until the child's 22nd birthday. So if you are a diverse learner, remember SSI said they're going to be doing a lot of pushing for the SSI benefits. You can qualify, but also if your child is a diverse learner and you're in Illinois, remember they are giving out $500 grants as well for up to 2 children. So that's another $1,000 that you may receive. I'm just the messenger. Okay, I am just the messenger. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to my home state. One time for Alabama, Roll Tide. All right, so in Alabama Senate Committee, they have voted to go ahead and reverse the course. Okay, this is like a Uno card reverse. All right, now summer food program for low-income kids. So in Alabama Senate Committee on Tuesday, they voted to set money aside so that the state of Alabama can now participate in the federal program that gives summer EBT. Now remember, Alabama was one of the 14 states that declined to participate in the summer EBT, but the folks were not having it, okay? We came together, okay? We came together and now you will be getting it, but not only should we be celebrating, Louisiana should be celebrating because they had submitted a notice of intent as well where they will be participating in the summer EBT program. So the Department of Children and Family Services in Louisiana, they sent the USDA a notice that they would like to participate in the summer EBT program. They confirmed this as well on yesterday, on May 1st. And then they're going to have more additional information as well. But remember, Louisiana announced they would not participate. Their governor was very vocal on why that the state would not continue to provide like existing programs as well, including the SNAP program. And it was just a whole bunch of things, right? But you had like your advocacy groups. You have a lot of people who had said, no. We're not going to skip this summer EBT program. And a lot of people had a change of heart. I told you guys, it's an election year, baby. Anything can go. It's like for real Uno right now, okay? You can skip, you can draw to, you can reverse, you can do all the things. So now the benefit will be available this summer. It will benefit 594,000 children. These benefits will ensure that children are getting that nutritious food that they deserve as well. Hopefully some of the other states will go ahead and decide to overturn their decisions as well. But in Louisiana, I think they even had a payment date is scheduled for June 4th. So be looking out for the correspondence. Now, good old Florida. Advocacy groups, they see what's going on. They're like, hold on, let's get Florida to go ahead and apply for the summer meal program, but it won't be this year. So advocacy groups, they did send a letter to Ron DeSantis on yesterday ahead of the Florida Department of Children and Family Services, urging them to go ahead and apply for summer EBT for 2025 when schools are out. Now, remember, Florida was adamant, okay? There was nothing that was going to change his mind. They were not applying for this benefit at all this year. But according to the new rules, even if states want to participate in 2025, they have to opt in by August 15th. They have to notify this year, August 15th, the U.S. Department of Agriculture, whether they will partake in the summer 2025. And Florida is like, okay, let's go ahead and think about this. So advocacy groups are trying to get things pushed forward. I'm still looking for you, Florida. I'm still doing all the things. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to Indiana. All right, so in Indiana, the Sunbucks program will send new EBT cards to student families. So the school district said that the students that are already on free or reduced lunch programs and are enrolled to receive Sunbucks, you will go ahead and get those cards as well first. But in addition, schools will continue to serve like free meals as well at several locations over the summer. But pretty much the district is putting out information on location and the details of you going to eat during the summer. But for those Sunbucks, they need for you to go ahead and submit those applications just to ensure like your address hasn't changed, you're still eligible, you still need to do all the things, right? Now in South Carolina, families are being urged to go ahead and activate your old pandemic grocery aid cards before they expire. So they said more than 68,000 cards have yet to be activated in South Carolina. This is unused money, people. I don't know where the money is at. I don't know if you checked your cards or not, but pandemic EBT benefits, remember, they automatically expire 274 days or about 9 months after they were last used. So I think they said the last set of cards that went out was on August 14th of 2023 for South Carolina. But even if you just make a purchase of $1 will reset your cards and it will give you another 274 days from that point. But according to the State Department of Social Services, over 68,000 cards have yet to be activated, leaving about $8.1 million unspent as well. So the state told the news department that they've sent various memorandums to school districts. They've received other people's cards back to them. If you were supposed to get a card, you can reach out and contact them and see where's your card at. They've contacted people on social media platforms. They've hosted webinars with school administrators as well. They said they don't know what else to do. Now, South Carolina is still one of those states as well that opted out of 2024 summer EBT program, but they did say that their team is pushing and will opt in by August 15th for 2025 program as well. So South Carolina, you didn't get it this year, but the way things going, they beat in, reverse, ooh, reverse, ooh, okay. And you might get it after all, okay? You never know. So let me know what you think down in the comments below. Next, let's go ahead and head over to Oklahoma, where SNAP recipients in counties that were impacted by the April 27th, April 28th storms, you can now go ahead and request for replacement benefits up to your full monthly amount received in April. So usually they give you about 10 calendar days to go ahead and request the replacement benefits. But as of right now, they said the Oklahoma Department of Human Services, they did receive that federal approval to allow households to report your food loss by May 28th as well. So to apply for replacement SNAP benefits, all you have to do is submit like a request for destroyed food replacement through the Oklahoma Department of Human Services. Those that are not currently receiving SNAP benefits, you can apply at the website as well. But I think there's going to be more states that's offering those replacement benefits, because I remember there were so many states that were affected by the tornado. So if I didn't mention your state, it'll be coming up soon. And yeah, this is what we have, guys. This is what's going on in the lovely world of EBT. Let me know, what do you think about these states actually reverse. Ooh. Reverse. I just like that. Okay, let me know, what do you think about the states reversing the programs? I think this is a win. I don't think that they should have been, I don't even think we should have been down this road anyway. I know the states don't have money, but you got to find a way to feed the children over the summer. You just got to, all right? Also, let me know, what do you think about the Farm Bill, putting that firewall stipulation that it doesn't matter who gets in office, that you will not be able to get a decrease to any SNAP benefits, but you can always receive an increase. Absolutely love that in there, as well as replacement SNAP benefits, SSI, $500 grants. I mean, a lot. It was a good news day. Okay, it's today, in the words of Ice Cube, today was a good day. So let me know all the things, what you think down below, as well as grab you some Amazon Prime. Remember, Amazon Prime does offer free grocery delivery right now, up to 2 hours or less, I think, in some states, depending on where you stay in. But you can try out Amazon Prime free for 30 days. And this is all I have, guys. As always, please like, comment, subscribe. Check out some of my other videos, and I will talk to you later, Gator. Bye, guys.